What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a cryptocurrency that pays a 5% APY to you every year. So if you like that, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, if you haven't heard of Cosmos or ATOM, Cosmos Atom, or a few other ways you can say it, this is a cryptocurrency that you could buy right now for $10.81. Now, they have a market cap of $3.2 billion. Their volume in the last 24 hours is 289 million. Circulating supply is 286.4 Atom. Typical holding time is right around 60 days. Trading activities is 66% buying, 34% selling. Popularity is number 22 on the list, but look at this yield, earning 5% APY. Now, when you hold Cosmos on Coinbase, you can earn a staking reward. 5% is the estimated annual reward rate, which may change over time. It's based on the Cosmos staking reward generator. Now, this is really cool that Coinbase is offering this. And for all of you who don't know, Cosmos is it aims to be the internet of blockchains by allowing developers to build their own blockchains, each of which are interconnected via the Cosmos network. Atom, or Atom, is the native cryptocurrency used for staking and securing the global hub, which connects all of these blockchains. So it's actually very important for the whole blockchain network. Now, the APY for this, when you hold Cosmos in your Coinbase account, you'll be able to earn a staking reward of 5%. Now, this is an annual reward rate, which can change over time. It's based on the Cosmos staking reward generator. To get started with that, all you do is add Cosmos to your account with a purchase or transfer. Then your first Cosmos reward should appear then in your account about 35 to 40 days after. After that, you'll earn rewards every 3 days until you sell or withdraw your Cosmos. Right now, let's see, what does it show how much I've earned? Wallet. Right now I bought $10 worth, but there was a 99-cent fee, so I actually only own $9 worth, or 0.44 atoms. Cosmos reward was exactly 1 penny, so not bad at all. As you can see, it's 1091 now. This is a company that trades, as you know, cryptocurrency trades 24/7. They never close. This company looks like they started around April 29th, 2019 for $3.96. And as you can see here, there's some significant dips in the market. So if you buy low, and then eventually it'll go up. I mean, I'm saying eventually, but I mean, it's possible to not go up. But look at these prices, $40, $44. There's a potential for some amazing increases with this company. So if you guys haven't checked out the Cosmos, definitely do. There's a lot of great articles on Coinbase for the Cosmos. If not, I'm sure you could trade this on any of the other cryptocurrency wallets or trading platforms. But this one I thought was really interesting. Even now, it says it's up 175% for all, down about 48% for the year, down 50% for the month, down 24% for the week, down 5% for the day, and down 3% for the hour. But with this company, it's definitely got a tendency to go up and down. So we'll see what happens with this new earnings yield. Maybe more people will buy into it, and that'd be great. But definitely only trade what you're willing to lose. It can be risky investing in all aspects or any type of market, whether it's stocks, crypto, real estate, and even yourself. So be cautious and make sure that you do your research. Thanks guys, I hope you like this video and have a great day.